I'm going to show you how to install the new Affinity. This version is completely free and combines the old Affinity programs, Photo, and Designer. First, type Affinity into the Google search bar, press Enter, and click on the first result. It should be the official Affinity website. Here, click on Get Affinity, then on Sign Up to download. A window will pop up. You'll need to register with Canva, or if you already have a Canva account, just sign in. You'll be taken to this page. Here, you can download the installer for either Mac OS or Windows. I'm using a Windows PC, so I'll download the MSIEXE by 64 file. Now, just run the installer. Choose your installation path, or keep the default one, and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open Affinity. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.